Jeff, top of the morning to you, buddy. You have your blonde bandmaster and your blackface showman up on the bench here. I'm going to be going ahead and moving forward with the repair that we put on pause a few months ago. We're going to get that new optocoupler, opto-isolator, trim roach put inside of her and get that cool little trim effect re-enabled. Then I'm going to go through your showman, who has an interesting bit of history. All right, now as you can see here, this was serviced at the factory twice. Once by RG on a 42nd week in 1967, and again by an RI on the 46th week of 67. What did they do? Well, we're going to find out. But I can tell you one thing, that RG replaced one of these 5881s. And he put his stamp right there in the tube itself, which is kind of cool. So we're going to dig into that. I have evacuated all evidence of our little mouse friends from the rear, completely cleaned and sanitized. And yeah, we're going to get us a new length of grounded power cord installed there too. So I'm looking forward. Frankie, Aldo, Jason, I've got your amps here. And I will be giving you guys some updates soon as well. Thank you guys for your patience. My garage door literally jumped off the tracks this morning and totally threw off my entire day. I've been babysitting that thing. So see you guys soon. Bye.